Elena.
Hey.
What are you doing here all alone?
Well, I was checking the air quality in our offices and I also wanted to check here with air quality for clipboard.
Well, I see you have whole device there.
Yeah.
And which clicker 2 is this?
It's clicker 2 for STM32. And I also used OLED-C clipboard. So as you can see, I can read the measurements right away.
Well, that's the coolest thing you've done so far.
It's not funny. Anyway, this room has very high level of CO2, see?
Well, yeah, we need more plants in here.
Yeah. Air quality for click can also measure TVOC value readings, CO2 equivalent concentration readings, H2 row and ethanol row in the air. It's perfect for indoor environment.
Well, let's check the other offices also.
Sure.
Come on.